We're trading and we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. Before I start, I want to do a like spike. If nobody knows what a like spike is, it's where I'll count down from 5, and then once I get to 0, the people that will do a like spike, they can get the like spike before 3 seconds. Only I can, and I'll give them. I'll hand out fidget spinners. So counting down from 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like spike. All right, hit that like button and please subscribe. All right, thank you guys. Here we go. I won't be talking anymore after this.
Then are you using the charger?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? Hello everyone, we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. Hit the like button down below, and we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. Okay, I'm going to be starting the game.
Okay, guys, that is all. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.